Hello there, and welcome to a special edition of Caddy of the Day. The Caddy of the Day All-Star.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Ay, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
The females are as beautiful as ever. They vary in age. While the more experienced women know how to work their hands, others use youth to their advantage. The caddies here are no different. What better way to enjoy a round of golf than having a beautiful caddy cater to your every whim? Golf within itself is a great sport, but to have an excellent caddy takes golfing to the next level. Handing you your clubs in the tee box, finding your ball in the rough, and even raking the sand when you hit a beach shot. These caddies are well-trained and well-mannered. An experienced caddy knows the course as well as her own body. She reads the green and will even set up your putt if requested. These caddies are fun, friendly, flirty, and a lot of times single. Back to golf. Look how this portly gentleman dances a jig. Obviously happy with this caddy. You can't make this shit
You guys, I got a new caddy today. I got a big one. She got Thai. Hey, we like that. What's your name?
Gun. My name Gun.
Gun?
Yes,
Oh, Gun. Oh, okay, you got the gun. You single? Are you single? You have boyfriend? You have husband?
Not I do.
You know? Oh, okay.
No.
You Thai? You Isan?
Thai.
You Thai?
Stay Pattaya.
Oh, okay. They got every shape, size, and color. They got thick ones. They got dark ones. They got nice ones. They got small ones.
Hello friends, and welcome to the Golf Serengeti, Caddy of the Day. This particular caddy is thicker than a snicker. By the confidence in her dern, which means walk in Thai, clearly tells us it's almost mating season. Locking eyes and zeroing in on her target, she points in my direction as if she has something in store for me. As her hips steadily sway back and forth, I knew right then we had to give her a nickname. Thicky Menage.
I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks that I said.
And this one we call Chili from TLC. She's not too proud to beg.
Chili can't put in.
Meet caddy number 55 at Parachat Golf Links in Khao Macau, Thailand. Caddy number 55 is friendly, flirty, and walks the course with a fatty. I follow her like the Pied Piper. Even though my shot was complete garbage and my ball went for a swim, from the way she walks in front of me and sways her hips, she gives a slight signal it could be mating season. I was more surprised about her nickname. Power Mouth.
This is Power Mouth. Power Mouth. I like that.
No power mouth.
Yeah, you
With a name like Power Mouth, I can only wonder what that mouth do.
What is your name?
My name is ลูกตาลค่ะ ลูกตาล
Pan.
Yes.
You know you have a tooth?
Have ตูดมากๆ Big ตูดนะ
Are you single or you married?
No I no married
You single?
Single yes
Oh.
No have baby นะ
You don't have baby either?
Yes
And you have a fat tooth? Oh my goodness.
This is Eastern Star Golf Course in Rayong, Thailand. This is caddy number 108. As you already know, she's fit, she's friendly, she's single, she has no children, and she walks the course confidence of a caddy with a fatty.
out here today. Hey! You see it? Fair chat. What's your name?
My name is Nanny.
Caddy. Nanny with the fanny. Okay, Nanny, here we go.
Okay.
So, Nanny, you Thai, you Isan?
You Isan.
You Isan?
มาจากอุดร
Oh, Udon Thani?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. The Isan ladies in Thailand are Suwai Matma.
Really?
Yeah. Suwai means beautiful. Like the ladies from Isan, they got the pretty dark skin. Yeah, you see that dark color? Yeah, we like Suwai. You got a boyfriend?
No.
No boyfriend?
I'm single.
You single?
Yeah.
Oh, how many babies you have?
Oh, I don't have.
No babies?
No
And you single? Oh, you can get it, huh? America, this is beautiful.
Really?
We love, oh, really? They will marry you. They gonna bug the shit out of me.
like tan skin.
How many people like tan skin? Ask them. I'm gonna let them ask them how many people like tan skin. Ask. Say.
How many people like tan skin?
How many people like tan skin? Man, I sent this up and all my subscribers, Patreon members, everybody jumped in and let her know that we love that beautiful brown skin. So the next time we went on the trip and played golf together, she had a whole different attitude. Her confidence was up and she enjoyed being the skin she was in. Check it out. Welcome to another episode of Caddy of the Day. Due to popular demand, she is back. Cinnamon Thai Caddy with a fatty. The first time we met her, she was a totally different person. Now, after reading the comments you, my subscribers, Zoom tribers, and Patreon members have left for her, she is beaming with confidence, full of life and smiling from ear to ear. Thank you, comment section. Good job.
So what kind of man you like? You like age? How old do you want them to be?
How old?
Yeah.
About 36 to 50.
36
Oh, no,
to
no,
50.
50 to 40.
Oh, to 40. Oh, I'm too old. See, I'm too old.
No, it's okay.
And finally, some of my favorites, the dancing caddies. After a few libations, the caddies loosen up, spread their wings, shake their boots, and turn the golf course into their own personal night. Make sure to join the Patreon to see more, and if you want to go on a golf date, brilliant! You know what I'm about to say, right?
Give me my theme music.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
If you want to go on a golf date, make sure to email me at zoomtothailand@gmail.com and type golf date in the subject matter. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Put the notifications to all, because you never know when we might do a pop-up in the middle of Thailand. You dig?